Does Samsung Tab A9 Plus support S Pen? I'm going to tell you whether the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus supports the S Pen. No, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus does not support the S Pen, and it's not designed to be used with it. Unlike Samsung's Tab S series, which includes built-in S Pen compatibility, the Tab A9 Plus lacks the necessary hardware to recognize or use the S Pen features. However, you can use a third-party stylus, but it won't offer features like pressure sensitivity, palm rejection, or Bluetooth controls. If you need full S Pen functionality, you'll have to look at Samsung's Tab S series instead.